In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Resizing is essential whether you're preparing an image for the web, a presentation, or a print project, and I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it confidently every time. First, open Adobe Photoshop, go up to the File menu at the top, choose Open, and select the image you want to resize. Click Open, and your image will appear on the canvas. If you're concerned about preserving the original, don't worry, we'll cover how to save a separate version at the end. To access the resizing controls, head to the image menu in the top bar and select image size. This opens the image size window, which is where all the resizing happens. You'll see a preview of your image and fields for width and height. Nothing is finalized yet, so feel free to explore these settings before committing. Now adjust the dimensions. In the width and height fields, enter the size you want. You can change the unit of measurement based on your needs. Pixels are best for screens, websites, and social media. Percent is helpful if you simply want to scale the image up or down by a specific amount, like 50% smaller. Inches or centimeters are ideal when you're targeting a physical print size. Make sure the chain link icon, also called constrained proportions, is enabled. This keeps your image from stretching or squashing by locking the width and height to the same aspect ratio. If it's turned off, you can change width and height independently, but you'll risk distortion. A quick tip as you choose sizes: scaling down usually looks great, but scaling up significantly may reduce quality because you're asking Photoshop to invent pixels. For print sizes, the resolution value in this window matters. Higher resolution generally yields cleaner prints, while for screens, the pixel dimensions are what you care about most. When you're happy with the settings, click OK, and Photoshop will apply the changes to your image. To save your work, go back to the File menu. Choose Save if you're comfortable replacing the original file with this resized version. If you want to keep the original untouched, choose Save As. Pick a new file name and location. You can also select a format that suits your use case, for example, JPEG for smaller file sizes, or PNG if you need transparency. And that's it. You've successfully resized an image in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.